Hi everyone, welcome to FOREX Trading Empire YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to scalp on a 1 minute. If you want to scalp during the New York section, this video will be the best video to show you a clear guide on how to scalp on a 1 minute during the New York section between the range of 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. You'll be using the bias from the London section to look for a trend continuation during the New York section on the first 2 hours. So if you're interested in the video, make sure to watch to the end of this video because I'll be explaining a full detailed way on how to scalp on 1 minute and other advantages of scalping using the 1 minute. Before I start, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So if you want to scalp on 1 minute, you need bias before you scalp on 1 minute. In order for you to use this trading model in which I'll be giving in this video, because it's a trading model in which the FOREX Trading Empire community have been using for long. So I'll be teaching the model in this video. It's a 1 minute entry model. We scalp on 1 minute after identifying a bias from the London section before the New York section opening. So the model is very specific, and if you want to learn more about the models we use in the FOREX Trading Empire, make sure to check the link in the description, do a direct DM on my Telegram account, or you join the FOREX Trading Empire community. So first, before we move to the 1 minute, we need to identify a bias. It's very easy to identify a bias when using this trading model. You just need to look at what have price done during the London section. You are looking for days in which the London section have created a daily range. You are looking for days in which the London section have created a daily range. So the London section, in the London section Q zone, the first Q zone is from the 2 a.m. from the 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. You are looking at what have price done during those trading period. So let me make this a little bit lighter. You're looking at what have price done during those trading period. If those trading period are indicating a bias, so you're looking from the 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. to identify the trend using the 1 hour. From the 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. you can see that price traded higher, left the fair value gap. You are looking for a retracement to that fair value gap. If I'm to remove this, here's the 6 a.m. candle. Here's a fair value gap. You are looking for a retracement to that fair value gap. You can do a back testing on this, that anytime there's a trend during the London section in which there's a fair value gap between the trading range of the 7 a.m. to the 8:30 a.m., there's a retracement to that fair value gap leading to a trend continuation going for the London high. That's the whole premises to the bias. So you can jot it. Anytime there's a trend during the London section between the range of 2 a.m. to 6 a.m., the New York section between the range of 7 a.m., you're looking for a retracement to the 1 hour fair value gap leading to a trend continuation, aiming for price to take out the London high or the London low, depending on the bias. So if price were trading to the downside and you look at the fair value gap, a sell side fair value gap, if price retraces to the sell side fair value gap, you're looking for price to trade to take out the London low. But in this example, I'm talking on a scenario where price is trading to the upside. You're aiming for price to take out London high. Here's the fair value gap. So you can see a retracement to the fair value gap during the 7 a.m. 7 a.m. price retraces to the fair value gap. 8 a.m. you can see a complete trend taking out the London high. Here's the London high. So make sure you do a back testing on this to see it occur more often than not, because this is one of the major This is one of the major model in the Forex Trading Empire community. We have a complete model. This is a piece of the model. This is just a piece of the model in which we are looking for a specific setup during a specific time. Price retraced to the fair value gap at 7 a.m. 8 a.m. price traded, take out London high. You can see the run on the buy side, liquidity. Now, for a confirmation as soon as the price trades to the fair value gap, this will be your second time frame. As soon as price trades to the fair value gap, you're looking for a shift of structure. You're looking for a shift of structure from the 5 minutes between the range of 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Here's 8:30. You can see that price traded to a discount. So it is mostly based on the power of 3. We are looking for the opening price of 7 a.m. for price to trade to a discount liquidity. So the discount liquidity is a 1 hour fair value gap. Price traded to the 1 hour fair value gap as the manipulation phase. They were anticipating price to trade higher. If we're anticipating higher prices. So you can see the trade lower into the fair value gap. Then you can see a trade away from the fair value gap, taking out London's high. This is a complete trend. And it's a complete trading model which is being used in the Forex Trading Empire community. Now you are looking for a shift of structure. As soon as price trades to the fair value gap, you're looking for a shift of structure on the 5 minutes. Till you identify a shift of structure from the 5 minute, that is when you look for continuation. That is a clear confirmation of anticipating price going to London's high. When you are anticipating higher prices due to the fact that during the London section, price traded to the upside. Price traded to the fair value gap. You can see price traded lower. You can see the shift of structure where price took out this high, took out this buy side liquidity, leaving an order block and a breakers candle. If we use to mark out the breakers candle, let's make it red. You can see a retracement to the breakers candle. Now, the first entry is using the 5 minute directly from the 5 minutes where you are aiming for a 1-to-1, a 1-to-2. If you can trade this consistently, you can make a whole lot of profit passing your prop challenges. Price retrace to the breakers candle. We expected the breakers candle, traded higher, took out the buy side liquidity. Now, how to scalp on a 1 minute using after identifying a confirmation of the trend. After identifying the confirmation from the 5 minute time frame, as soon as price retraces to the breakers candle or a fair value gap, is depending on how price did the shift of structure. But you're looking for the first reference point to lead to the continuation. The first reference point in this example is a retracement to the fair value gap. Price retrace to the fair value gap. Breakers candle. Price retrace to the breakers candle. You're looking for a trend continuation for price to trade to take out the buy side liquidity. This is a complete trading model. Now let's go to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you can see the retracement to the breakers candle. Price retrace to the breakers candle. You can see a shift of structure. This impulsive move leading to the shift of structure. Price shift structure taking out this high. Where is price retracing to? An order block. Here's an order block. You can either use a fair value gap on order block, but in this example, I'm using an order block. Here's the complete order block. If I can make it blue. Here's the complete order block, but I'm mostly paying attention to the fair value gap, to the wick above the order block. But my stop will be at this low. So you can see an easy 1 minute scalping setup where in few minutes, price already traded to your target before 8:30. You are looking for your setup before 8:30. As soon as price crossed 8:30, because in most cases, the reason we mostly close our trade before 8:30 is because of high impact news. So we are trying to look for a setup before high impact news. Obviously, there are more details to this model, which is well explained in the FOREX Trading Empire community. It's well explained in the 2024 mentorship program. We explain more on this, on how you can capitalize on this to maximize your profits. And if you're interested, make sure to check the link in the description below. There are more details to this. Make sure to do your back testing. But if you're looking for a way to fasten your knowledge to understand how to trade during this trading period from the 7 a.m. to the 8:30, then you know that the FOREX Trading Empire community is the best place to head to. Price retrace to the breakers candle. You can see here's the other block. Price retrace to the other block. So this is a trade we actually took. So that's why I'm using it as an example. Price retrace to the other block. Looking for buy. You take your trade. You're aiming for price retrace to the buy side liquidity. This would have been your scalping setup. So there's more to this strategy. Make sure to do your back testing to understand on how to trade it more efficiently and how we maximize this setup where we are aiming to have a profit of around 5R only from this trade, because we use the ultimate trade entry using a Fibonacci. That's how we maximize the profit. So I've already given out more details on this in the free YouTube content. You can see the 62% level leading to the 75% level. That's our entry, aiming for higher price, for price to take at the high of the London section. So you do your back testing on this to understand this strategy more. But if you want to make it more faster, head to FOREX Trading Empire community, and whatever mentor they give you in the mentorship program, you tell the mentors to focus on this trading time from the 7 a.m. to the 8:30. He's mostly going to be pointing it out to you, telling you that if you're looking for an easy setup where you're only spending an hour plus, then this is the best strategy for you. Trading only Hero USD. This is the best strategy. A very simple, not that complex strategy. You're looking for a fair value gap between the London Q zone from the 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. You're looking for a fair value gap on a 1 hour. Identifying the fair value gap, wait for a 5-minute retracement to the fair value gap. Once there's a 5-minute retracement, wait for the 5 minutes to do a shift of structure, because in that 7 a.m., the New York 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., during that phase is called the manipulation phase. Price is trading to a discount. If you're anticipating higher prices, price traded to a discount. Here's the opening price. Here's the opening price. The blue line is the opening price. Price traded to a discount. Price trade above, trading to a premium. Retrace to the breakers candle again at a discount. This should have been your buy. But looking for more confirmation, you can use the 1 minute to look for more confirmation leading to higher price, for price to take out London's high, which were supposed to be your target if you're anticipating higher prices. If you're anticipating lower prices, you just flip the switch, do the opposite of what I explained in this video. If you want more details on it, on a bearish scenario, you know, the FOREX Trading Empire community, the link has been linked in the description below. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next video.